Welcome to Breaking Bank 30. This is about the, I can't quite get it there, the In God We Trust, and an explanation of the In God We Trust. The In God We Trust. Okay, here's, you can get a common law irrevocable ecclesiastical trust like I have available on libertyaid.org, right? Libertyaid.org is a publishing website of Christian Ministries Trust. Yeah. So you can either trust in God, Jesus Christ, Mer Baba, could name the creator even if you wanted to. There has to be a book of law that goes with it. So that's what you put in your trust. So this is the In God We Trust, and they can issue money and so on under their trust. There are three documents that go with the trust: a declaration of private trust. This has a declaration, right? Declaration of Independence. That's the In God We Trust. And then there's a corpus. That's the Constitution, right? And then you don't have to have a corpus. The declaration can work for that, but you can have a corpus that tells everyone the operational details of the trust. Then you have certificates, like birth certificates, that prove your ownership of the trust, the beneficial interest, actually, of the trust. So, all those elements are everyone's aware of them, of the In God We. So what is trust? Is a type of business. So corporation, it's a business type. In God We business. So who's their God? We. If you take a W and you turn it a quarter turn to the left, then it becomes a 3. If you take an E and you spin it 180 degrees, then that becomes a 3. And so that's 3 and a 3. 33. Who is 33? 33 is what they call the devil. Satan, Lucifer, the goddess, Lady Liberty. God only comes in a male form. It doesn't come in a female form. Country, right, is a worship of Satan's vagina, because Satan is a female. So, and that's the way it is. The devil's, God's shadow is the goddess. That's why Lady Liberty, right, is lady. Anyway, we're in duality. So you better understand you can either worship and be under the authority of the devil or be under the authority of Jesus Christ, Mer Baba. And only Mer Baba knows about the rainbow. Mer Baba I think of as the rainbow bridge. Get us out to be God beyond God. Watch my last video. Anyway, so the In God We Trust is just a satanic mind control business. Governmental, right? Control the mind. It's a satanic mind control cult business. That's what the United States is. So you cannot use the word trust in public. They say it's a slogan. Yeah, it's a slogan. It's a motto. It's also the business name. It's not just a motto, because you can't have a motto with the word trust in it unless it's also the business name. You cannot use the word trust because it becomes confusing. LLC, you don't have to name your business blah 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 LLC in your advertising. But if it's your trust, you have to use the word trust as part of the law about trust. Otherwise, people become confused. Like, you're confused, right? You didn't know it was a satanic mind control business and that you're going to burn for eternity in hell for following its rules and falling under the authority of the devil. Yeah. So I thought that's important to know. 0 is 9 in Pythagorean math. 9 is the number of the devil. 666, 6 plus 6 plus 6 equals 18. 1 plus 8 equals 9. 9 is Satan's number. See, so when they call it a country, right, they're speaking about Satan's vagina. They add an O into the word cunt because 9 is the devil's number. And so a country is a group that worships Satan's vagina. So, I'm not a Satan worshiper and I'm not a Satan vagina worshiper. If you are, you should worship, Satan's vagina, and you should choose to burn for eternity. As everyone that says they're a United States citizen will burn for eternity with the devil. Or you could get a trust, like I offer on Liberty Aid. Those are your only two options that are available on earth. There are no other options. None. Burn for eternity or meet with Jesus Christ. And this is how you do it. There's no other method. Okay, just thought I'd fill you in on that. May God bless your success in choosing eternal life instead of eternal burn.